Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the LG V40 ThinQ. Okay, let me show you the first one. It's the context awareness, a very nice feature to create situations and save a bit time. Let's go to the settings form. Then we need to point here extensions. And then we have here the point context awareness. And so first of all, if you're at home, so you arrive at home, you can set up a sound profile, like if you're at home, that the phone is going on silent automatically. So you can rest a bit at home and so on without put it on silence. And connect it maybe to Bluetooth, but this normally works automatically, also at other phones. The same thing, also if you're away from home, also very nice, you can set up also sound profile. If you have it on silence at home, you can put it on loud if you're going out. So a very nice feature here. I've never seen it from other devices, and and what's also very nice, you can save also time if you plug in maybe your earphones, your headphones, then you can open automatically an app. No? So if we enable this one, we can set up here an app, maybe Spotify or Apple Music, or maybe in our case YouTube, and if we confirm it. Okay, let me show you that. I plug in my headphones and it goes automatically to YouTube. So we really save time. So the same thing you can do also with Bluetooth and so on. If you connect to Bluetooth, maybe to a Bluetooth box or to Bluetooth headphones, then you can open automatically an app like, as I said, Apple Music, Spotify, or YouTube, and so on and so on. So a very, very nice feature. Okay, let me show you the next mode. There's one-handed mode if you want to steer the phone with one hand. Because your hand is too small, my hands are big, but they are too small to reach all the corners and so on. So you can make the screen smaller. If you swipe across the navigation bar here, then you have a smaller screen. If you're left-handed, you can put it also to the other side like this. And now I can really navigate completely here in the phone with a small screen. You can make it also bigger if you want. If you go here on the corner, you can also upgrade the size. And if you're ready with, just go here on the X to be back in the main settings on the main screen. You have to enable that feature. If you're now trying to look to and doesn't work, you have to enable that feature on the settings. Then we need to go to the point display. And if we swipe down, then we'll see here the mini screen. It has to be enabled like at me. And here you also a little bit instructions. Okay, the next point I want to show you is about here the navigation bar. As you can see, we have the main navigation bar, so to go to the home screen, to open the recent tabs. And we have here also a symbol, if you're using the dual SIM option, to change quickly from one SIM card to another, maybe if you want to change the data plan or something like this. So from one SIM card to another. But you can set up also something else here. So for that, let's go to the settings. Then go to the display. And then we need here the home touch buttons. So, and then we need here the button combination. So now you can choose what you want to have. Maybe you don't want to have this one, so you just want to have the basic stuff. You can do that. And also you can have here the Q slide. You can put it in the middle or put it here to the side, as you want. If you tab it, you have now important apps like phone, contacts, and so on, also on the navigation bar here. Or you can have also the capture symbol included, or also the one for the notifications. And if I go now in the notifications, I'm immediately in my notifications without touching here or scrolling down or something like this. So nice features. So you can really create your own navigation bar, or you can change here the arrow to the left side and so on and so on. So you are really free in organize your navigation bar by your own. So very nice actually. The next feature I want to show you is about to open the camera very quickly. Maybe you have a very nice situation you want to have a picture of and your phone is on standby, you have to unlock it first and so on and so on. But you have also the opportunity to double tap just the volume down button and you're immediately at the camera. So a very nice feature, and you know now how I'm doing my videos. A very nice feature, but you cannot use it if you're here on the desktop. Then you have here the sound if I double tap here. So it just works if the phone is on standby. Yeah, and apropos camera, I want to show you also a nice feature at the camera. So you have 3 cams in that phone, which one allows you to have at first here the main cam. Then you have also a wide angle cam, and this wide angle cam allows you, maybe if you have a group picture and you cannot see really the persons next to the monchichi, you can have it here like this, and now you have the you have more space to have other persons next to the monchichi on the picture. Okay, and so what is also very nice that you can zoom in immediately without using the fingers. So a very nice tool. You can, if you want, you can zoom in like this also as well, but this is a really fast zoom in feature, and the autofocus normally is very well here. And yeah, with all these 3 features you can have also a triple shot picture or triple shot pictures. If you go here on triple shot and take now a picture, then you will take 3 pictures of the same situation. So one regularly, one zoomed in, and one with a wide angle. So let's go here on the preview, and you can see now the wide angle picture, then here the main picture, and here the zoom in picture. Okay, the next feature I want to show you is how to take a screenshot. So there are some ways for. The most common way is to use the power button and here the volume down button. If you press these buttons for the same time, you will have a screenshot. But there's another way also to take a screenshot. So if you scroll down here, you have here the opportunity to capture a picture. If you just tap and we have a capture, and now we can write also something inside here if you want, or we can cut also something. If we go here on that point, we can now cut a part of our screenshot. Maybe if you want to crop a picture or something like this, you can also make it bigger after. And so on and so on. So a very nice feature. Sorry. Now if you confirm here, save it to the gallery, and it's part of your gallery. And let me go there. Let me go on a website maybe. If you are now on the LG website here, this long, you can make also a scroll shot. If you're going here to the Capture Plus, you can also now make a scroll shot. If you tap on extended, then you will go down until you interrupt it if you tap the screen, and he did a scroll shot. And after you're also able to paint here inside, or if you want to paint something below, use the 2 fingers to go down, and you can paint here something inside again, go down and so on. So you can you can make some notes below also as well. So a very nice feature. And yeah, this, so let us save it first to the gallery here. This Capture Plus feature have also another opportunity. If you go here to the Capture Plus, you have also the opportunity to make a little GIF video. So now you can select the screen you want to record, maybe if there's a video on the website, and you can now record the situation at maximum 15 seconds, and you can record a part of the website. No? So if you're ready, just tap on stop and go on save after, and he will save the GIF directly to your gallery. So if you want to have a short video, you can do that now. And yeah, where to find the pictures after, of course, at the gallery. And here they are at the category albums. So you can have the Capture Plus folder, the Capture folder, or directly the screenshot folder. So very nice. And the photos, of course, you have everything here. Yeah, the next mode I want to show you is about the battery life. Maybe you have just a few percent, but you need your phone a bit longer. You have the opportunity to extend the battery life. So let me show you how it works. If you scroll down here, scroll down a second time, you have here on the second page the opportunity to enable the battery safer. So first he gives you some infos, go on turn on, and you can have the extended battery saver or the maximum. If you go on maximum and switch that on, the phone will turn the screen in black and so on, so that saves a lot of energy. It's really well, and off some stuff in the background and so on. Okay, that mode allows you to have around the double of the battery time. So a very nice feature. How to off that mode? Let's go to the settings for. Then we need to go on the point battery. Then go on battery saver, and you can go to the extended mode or to turn off that battery saver mode, and you're back into the regular screen. Okay, and there's another nice mode also in the settings. If you're maybe going to bed and have problems to sleep in, you can reduce the blue light on the phone. So it's a blue light filter. Let's go to the settings for, then go here to display, and then we need here the point comfort view. It's named comfort view at LG, and if you enable the blue light filter, you can also change the opacity here, regular or a bit more. So it's as maximum is the top, but it looks a bit different for the eyes at the beginning, but it's very well. Also on the day, your eyes will feel much more comfortable, but especially in the night, you can have the best results. So you can schedule it also if you don't want to turn it on and off all the time. You can schedule it here as well, during a period between 10 p.m. To 6 p.m. In the morning, and you don't have to on it off it all the time. But as I said, you can use it also during the day. It will helps your eyes. And the last feature I want to show you is very nice because you can do a lot of stuff with it, and it's really helpful. So let's go to the camera here, and you have here the point Google Lens. If you tap on Google Lens, you have now the opportunity to looking for objects that doesn't work so well, but maybe one day. But what is very interesting is that point here. You can copy text. If you see some and you want to make notice, you can do that automatically. I don't know if you see that. You mark all the text. Now you can copy the text, select all, and you have completely copied the text here on my little card here. So a very nice feature. You can copy the text directly, go to your notes or go to WhatsApp to send it to someone, and so on and so on. So and you can do more with that feature. If you're going here on the translation next to, you can also in real time translate the text. So from German, so my language, to English directly. And if you go here now on the button, you can also copy that text to also to send it to someone, or to make some notes, or to work in it, whatever. So a very nice feature, and you don't have to translate word by word. So you have it directly live and can copy it as well. So a very, very nice feature. And of course, you can also go to the main screen here to auto detect. And I want to say thank you so much for watching Phones and More. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.